Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you one base review on the website that is lingerie.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, please watch the video till the end because by then you will be able to know either this should be a legit website or not, or you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's check out the detail. Lingerie when explored gives a feel of shop delivering model dresses. Like if you are looking forward for maxi dresses, slinky dresses, midi dresses, you can check from this website. But before making any online shopping from online store nowadays, you must check out the legitimacy. So let's check out the specification of this website. It was created on 11th August 2021. It is an online portal made by for selling party wears and bridal dresses. It is United based. The email address which they are mentioning is matching the domain name, and it is a good sign. On their official website, they have mentioned their physical address and contact details. The payment method which they are accepting is only PayPal. You can return the product within 14 days of the delivery. The positive point of the website are when we searched for the reviews, we saw the company official site homepage is catchy and attractive. The site gives an offer of worldwide free shipping. The portal is SSL certified. The negative point of lingerie.com are the trust score of this website by Scamdog is only 2%. The portal is only few days old. Alexa does not show a good rank for lingerie.com. The portal showing social media icons are broken and get redirected to home page. Only 2 days are provided for exchange of any item. The site accepts only PayPal as payment method. No cash on delivery option is available by this site. The question is lingerie is legit? So only getting impressed while layout and look for the portal may go in vain if any scam happens. So you must check out the safety. So we have discussed different parameters. As we have discussed, it is just few days old website. It gives only one way of making payment via PayPal. No access to social pages of this site available. The products that are put for sale have no reviews. Neither the site seems to have gathered single comment on any reviewing platform. As the product displays on the lingerie portal are without reviews of buyers, of course, good and safe online stores like Amazon do carry reviews of customer. But examining review of this store, it's quite surprising that the site is without any feedback of the people. So it is very common to come across good looking selling portal, but they might sometimes be scams. So we are not recommending you to buy anything from lingerie.com because it is not a trustworthy online store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your views and experience regarding lingerie.com right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.